So now let's see how we can work around with band pass effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I need to go around onto the effects menu and then go around onto custom. And over here you can see that band pass is an option. So once you go ahead over here, you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go ahead and change around the frequency of the band pass, and you can see that you get a pass-through effect right here just like this, and it's almost blurred out. You get the bandwidth right here just like this as well, and you can go around and see, and you get like an old photo effect as you can see right here just like this as I change around the band pass right here. So you can see that this is the after. You got a pretty sharp effect right here. But if I were to go ahead and enable this, then you can see that this is what you have right here. If I were to change around the frequency, then you can see that I get more of the detail right here just like that, and more like an old TV effect right here. So you can go around, decrease out the band pass effect right here just like this, increase out the frequency to get more detail out of it right here, and this is the effect that you get. And that is how you can utilize the band pass effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.